Hello my friends and welcome to my channel. Roll out 320 grams of puff pastry. From which country are you watching my channel? Let me know in the comments. Cut the puff pastry into 3 equal parts. Please subscribe my channel and give us a like and share the video. Thank you. If you like to have an amazing Japanese knife like this one, you can find the link below on description. Place a slice of cheese on each part of the puff pastry. Place 2 sausages on top of the cheese. Wrap the sausages and cheese with the puff pastry. One more lap. Cut thin strips from the center towards the edge. One egg. Beat well the egg. Give a nice egg wash. Sprinkle poppy seeds on top. Use your imagination to place the strips of puff pastry on top. Looking good so far. Another egg wash. Place it on a baking tray. Seal the ends with a stick. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius or 355 degrees Fahrenheit until golden brown. Amazing! Enjoy!